Hey guys, today I'm really excited to bring to you my 2018 sewing resolutions. So I'm gonna actually kind of combine the sewing resolutions with the hashtag 2018 make 9. Um, it's kind of like a thing that a lot of the sewing or like the people in the sewing community do. I'm not exactly sure where it originates, but I'll try to figure that out and link it in the description. So, sort of to round up 2017, it was kind of a good year for me because it was the first year that the first full year I spent out of undergrad. Um, Last year, or not last year, 2016, so year before last, I graduated with my undergrad degree and I got a full-time job. So I have a lot more time to actually work on any sewing projects that I want. So 2017 was kind of like the first year that I was able to be out of school and work on projects that I wanted to rather than my school, which took up the vast majority of my time. I was able to learn a lot in 2017, but I also did take a grad level class during the spring, which did take a lot of my time, but I actually decided that I didn't want to continue with my master's degree after taking that class. So I did have more time later in the year, and I'll have a lot more time this year in 2018 to improve my techniques. So what I basically want to do in 2018 is gain a few new skills. I also want to improve some of the existing skills that I learned last year in 2017, and then I also would like to sew some things that are a little bit more practical for my wardrobe. I tend not to sew things that I don't think I would ever wear anyway, but I do have a few things that I recognize that I need more dresses basically. And I like wearing skirts a lot, but I feel like dresses are really convenient. Anyway, that kind of was a little precursor to what I'm going to talk about and some of the patterns that I'm going to pick. So in terms of gaining new skills, I want to make a new jacket, or so I want to make the Grainline Studio Tamarack. I'm already familiar with quilting. I've made a few quilts, mostly whenever I was younger, still in, made quite a few whenever I was still in grade school. And then I also made one during it was the summer of my junior year of, no, it was the summer of my sophomore year of college. So yeah, I'm kind of familiar with actually quilting, but I've never actually made a jacket, and I'm interested to see how quilting works whenever you're sewing a garment. The next thing I want to make is a handbag that I can actually use every single day. The current bag that I'm using I've had for around 3 years, and I like it, and it's not broken or anything. But I would like to make my own bag. I'm getting a little tired of the current bag considering that I've had it for 3 years. So I'm not gonna get rid of it or anything. I still like it. I just would like something new to sort of freshen up my look. And I was originally thinking about using the Needlehead Wool and Wax tote. But the thing is, really wanted something with a zipper at the top. And then also I think that bag is a little bit too big, and I'm not 100% sure about the way the handles are, because I really like having the crossbody and then the smaller handles. So I might end up self-drafting something, unless I find a really good pattern that I like. I was also considering the Nizo patterns. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's an Etsy shop, and they have some really cool canvas bags that you can sew. But none of them were exactly what I wanted, and I'm really picky about certain things, and this happens to be one of them. I did find a bag online that I like the shape of, so I'll probably try to make a muslin of a bag and then see how that looks, and then if that doesn't turn out well, then I'll probably use the noodlehead pattern, but otherwise I'll just continue with my current plan. Another thing I want to work on learning is making menswear. So I've made a couple of menswear garments, actually probably not that many. I've made my boyfriend some some pajama pants like last year or 2 years ago for Christmas. And I would also like to make him a shirt. So the Colette Negroni button-up shirt, it's a really nice pattern, and my boyfriend really likes to wear button-ups that are short sleeves. And I would like to make him something, because I'm pretty much always sewing for myself, and you know, it'd be nice to also learn about how to make menswear while making something nice for him. I also want to improve my existing skills. So last year I made a pair of jeans, and I would like to make another pair of jeans this year. And I really like the named Jamie jeans. That pattern is really cute. I like the seams down the front. I think it's really neat. I would like to use like a gray denim, but I'm having a little bit of trouble sourcing the right color denim that I'm looking for with the right amount of stretch. So I'll like be keeping an eye out for those. And then I also wanted to make the named Canerva. I don't remember. Sorry, I'm trying to read my notes, and I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this, but it's the named button back and peplum shirt. So I've actually technically already made this one this year. But the thing is, it is a bit short. I'm a little bit more tall, and also my torso is proportionally quite long. So this one did not work out too well for me, but I might end up adding the peplum to the bottom just so that I can actually wear it as opposed to now just feeling like I can't wear it, because I would be way too self-conscious if I like had any of my midriff showing. I tried to wear it like yesterday, and I was like, no. Even with a high-waisted skirt, I was just feeling really uncomfortable. So yeah, those were my improving my existing skills. And then I have quite a few that are like practical things that I need. And I would like to make a Greyline Studio driftless cardigan. And I've been looking for the perfect like fluffy, warm sweater knit, in a light pink blush color. I would really like it to be a cashmere, because that's really nice. I'm not a fan of most synthetic materials, so I've been having a lot of trouble sourcing a fabric. I did find something on Mood that I really like, but it's not exactly what I want. I've been like buying samples from certain websites and seeing what works. So I might go to a couple different stores and get some other samples just to like see what all of my options are. And then I also wanted to make in the folds rush cutter dress, the view that has the like 3/4 length sleeves, although I'm probably gonna lengthen them to full length because I get really annoyed by 3/4 length sleeves for whatever reason. I think I might make this in one of the cute rifle paper patterns. So yeah, I need new dresses, and that would be, I like the shape of that one, and the pockets are really cool. And then I also want to make a seamwork Veronica. I really like the silhouette of the dress, and I think it would look really cute in a nice linen. I am very obsessed with linen. If you haven't noticed, the shirt I'm wearing right now is linen. It's like my favorite thing to sew with. It's my favorite, and I think that dress would be really cute in the linen. And then my last item in my 2018 Sew 9 is the Sew House 7 toaster sweater. I think I'll probably end up making view B, which has like a lower mock neck. I just really like this pattern. I think it's really cute. I don't know if I particularly need any sweaters like this, but it's really cute, and I really want to make one. There's a few other patterns that I really would like to make. There's like a coat from Blueprints for Sewing that I really liked. Also, the True Bias Lander pants are super cute. I didn't put these on my list though, because this is already kind of a lot. Although I'm fairly certain I'll probably sew more than this. Another thing to note is it's winter where I am right now, so I was trying to keep it in mind that throughout the year I won't want to be sewing like coats and stuff, but I think my items on this list leaned a little bit more towards the cold weather, but yeah, I'll I'll see how it goes. I've never actually done a 28 or like a yearly make 9, so we'll see how this goes. I'm interested in seeing if any of these plans change. Typically I've never really actually done any sewing resolutions for the year, and usually I will just like have a running list of things that I want to make, and I'll just like get to them eventually. Sometimes things just jump to the front of the queue, but usually I do like I have things planned ahead most of the time. I'm a planner. So yeah, let me know what you want to sew this year. I'm definitely excited about all these different patterns. So we'll see how my 2018 Make 9 goes, and I hopefully will be able to check in at the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Bye!